Hi everybody, this is Linda at the Yarn Bar. Sue is across the pond enjoying herself with her family on a trip to England. But I have a really cool gadget that I wanted to show you, and so Susan and I are going to show you how it works. Actually, it's called the Knit Kit. And if you haven't seen this before, it is incredible. It's sort of like our Leatherman. It's our Swiss Army knife. I've got it in three colors: purple, teal, and black. But I really want to show you how it works. Okay, so here, put the camera right down on here. You got it? Okay, so the first thing about the Knit Kit is it can serve as your row counter. It's okay. Here's your row counter. It's also your tape measure. Yay! And right here we have a repair hook, and that pops right out, so you can use both ends. So that's pretty cool. And we have a little yarn splicer. That's great. And then we have on the back, you have a needle sizers. And then you open this up and you've got everything you need. You've got lots of different kinds of stitch markers, point protectors. You have a darning needle right here, and you have Tsa Approved Scissors. These are really nice scissors, so you can take them right on the airplane, so no one will give you any crap when you get on the airplane. But it all pops back together. It's pretty fun. You can put it in your bag, in your yarn bag, and you don't have to have that bag of gadgets that, we never can find everything. It's all right here. You can actually, there's a little hook right here. You can hook it to your knitting bag or your purse or whatever. But it's really easy to pack. You're not going to lose everything. It's always that one thing. So anyway, that's the Knit Kit, and we have them here at the shop. So I think maybe it might be worth looking at. So thanks.